Hello, hello, Pastor.
Hello. Yeah, I'm good.
Hello.
Yeah, we are doing well.
Yeah, we are moving towards Jhari Fall now. Short trekking from Dehradun, Sastradhara to Sikar Fall, Waterfalls. Now we four of us are doing a short trekking. Friend from Nagaland, Nelli, brother Nelli. Oh, sorry, Manipur, Manipur. Pastor from Manipur.
All Manipur.
Yeah, all Manipuri. Yeah.
Guide from Nepal.
Guide from Nepal, Sikkim. This is the trekking road.
We know the problem, but only one is you can look after by my way.
This is the trekking road. It's a little bit steepy and a little bit adventurous.
I think somebody
Yeah, bike.
bike.
Some people used to drive bike over here. I'm surprised. I don't know how they used to ride. This is the way to
Going to work.
Mussoorie.
I used to
We're doing a small trekking till Jhari, Pani and Mussoorie. This is the way. And this dog has been following us since the beginning. Let's see how far this dog follows us. Wow. Guys, yeah.
You say one day you'll leave this world behind.
Wow.
Remember?
Dehradun, from the top of the mountain Mussoorie, you can see the beauty of Dehradun here. Wow. You can hear the sounds of waterfall. We are very close to waterfall. It's in the middle of the jungle. It's very mysterious. It's hidden here in the jungle. I will show you the beauty of waterfalls, guys. Oh, it's very heavy. Wow, wow, wow. This is what the waterfall is. No, this is not up there. Yeah. No, up there. Guys, we are going back to our college for today. Our trekking has done.
Balancing time is important.
Yeah, it's a beauty.
Yeah. Everything has
We had a wonderful time together, exploring the mountains and the waterfalls there.
Sometimes it's good to enjoy the beauty of nature.
Yeah.
Oh, oh.